Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about functions. On this case we have f of x equals to x minus 1 over x squared minus 12x plus 35. We know that this is a rational function because we have a quotient and we have values with x on the denominator, right? So because this is a rational function, we need to make sure that what is on the denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so let's find when is equals to 0. Minus 12x plus 35 equals to 0. That's our denominator. Okay, we're gonna find when this is equals to 0 and then we will deny it. Okay, so how do we solve this quadratic equation? We can do multiple methods. A simple one will be factoring. Okay, so let's find two parentheses, the square root of the first on both. The first sign will come down as it is, and the second sign will be the multiplication of those two signs. Negative times positive is negative. Now I need two numbers that multiplied become 35 and added becomes 12. And that should be 7 and 5. Negative 7 times negative 5 is positive 35, and negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12. Okay, we have a property that says that if two values multiplied are equals to 0, either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. Because of that, we could use this definition or property into our polynomial here. And we can say x minus 7 is equals to 0 or x minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 7 or x is equals to 5. Remember, these values of 7 and 5 are the values that will make this denominator 0. So we don't want those. The definition of the domain are the values of x that will make my function exist. We are finding that x equals to negative 7 and x equals to 5 will make our denominator 0. Therefore, the function will not exist. Okay, so if we draw a line number here, so we will have 5 someplace, 7 someplace, positive infinity, and negative infinity. So we know our notation or graphic is open in 5 and 7, and you go all the way there. Okay, if we want to write this as interval notation, we'll have from negative infinity to 5, union from 5 to 7 that are not included, union from 7 to positive infinity. And that should be the domain of this function. Right, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.